Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see 3 ways to make our Android smartphone screen black and white. So let's check it out. Google or Android might change the way the user interface on our phone looks right now. If the options are different when you're watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. If you want to make your Android smartphone as a minimal phone, or if you simply love black and white screen for your eyes, then there are some ways to do that. For the first method, we are going to use the accessibility settings. We are using OnePlus smartphone for doing this right now, but the steps might vary a bit for other brand smartphones. We can always use the search option at the top with the relevant keywords to get this as well. So to do this, we have to open settings. Then we have to go down and go to accessibility and convenience. Here we have to go to accessibility and here we have to go to vision. Then we will have this color correction and we have to enable this, and here we have to select the grayscale option. That's all. Now it is black and white, as you can see. We can also go back and disable this if we want. That's all. For the second method, we are going to use the digital well-being settings. We have to open the settings and then we have to go to this digital well-being and parental controls. Select that. Here we have to scroll down and select this bedtime mode and we have to turn this on. Now it will be black and white, as you can see. We can also go to customize and disable DND if we want. And if you want to disable this mode, we have to turn this off. That's all. And for the third method, we are going to use the developer options. If you haven't enabled the developer options on your Android smartphone, then go to settings. Here go to about device or about phone. And here we have to go to the version. Then we have to select this version number or build number 7 times. We already enabled the developer mode, so we won't get that. But if you are new to this, we have to tap this 7 times like this. Then we will get the developer options. We can go to system and update and we can see the developer options here. We have to open that. We will get like this. Here we have to go to hardware accelerated rendering. We have to go to the bottom. We will have that. We have this here. Now here we have to go to simulate color space. Select that. We have to choose monochromacy. That's all. Now it is black and white. We can go back and we can disable this as well. That's all. These are the steps to make our Android smartphone screen black and white. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.